Hello and welcome to Car Insurance Chronicles, a podcast where we discuss and demystify the world of cars and car insurance in order to help you make informed decisions as you navigate the roads around you. I'm your co-host, Brenda.
And I'm Andrea. And today, we're guiding you through one of the most critical aspects of dealing with car insurance, filing a claim. We'll provide a step-by-step guide on what to expect, how to prepare, and tips for ensuring a smooth experience.
Filing a car insurance claim can seem daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Let's start with the first step, assessing the situation and ensuring everyone's safety.
The immediate aftermath of an accident can be chaotic. First and foremost, check if anyone is injured and call emergency services if needed. Safety is the top priority. Once everyone's safe, you can start documenting the scene.
Take photos of the accident from multiple angles, capturing any damages to the vehicles, road conditions, and relevant traffic signs or signals. These photos will be crucial when you file your claim. Also, gather contact information from the other driver, including their name, phone number, and insurance details.
Don't forget to get contact information from any witnesses. Their statements can be valuable in clarifying what happened. Now it's time to notify your insurance company.
Contact your insurer as soon as possible to report the accident. Most insurance companies have 24/7 claim reporting services. When you call, be ready to provide details about the accident, including the time, location, and a description of what happened.
Your insurance company will assign a claims adjuster to your case. The adjuster will be your primary point of contact throughout the claims process. They'll review the information you provided, assess the damage, and determine the next steps.
Now, let's talk about preparing for the adjuster's inspection. Ensure your vehicle is accessible and that you have all your documentation ready. This includes your insurance policy, accident photos, and any receipts or estimates for repairs.
The adjuster may ask you to take your car to a specific repair shop for an assessment, or provide an estimate from a shop of your choice. Some insurance companies have preferred repair networks, which can expedite the process and potentially save you money.
After the adjuster completes their assessment, they'll determine the extent of the coverage based on your policy. You'll receive an estimate for the repair costs and, if applicable, a payout offer. Review this offer carefully.
If you disagree with the adjuster's estimate or believe the payout is insufficient, you can seek a second opinion. It's essential to communicate openly with your insurer and provide any additional evidence or documentation to support your case.
Once you've agreed on the payout, the insurance company will either pay the repair shop directly or reimburse you if you've already paid for the repairs. If your car is totaled, they'll provide you with a payout based on the actual cash value of your vehicle, minus any deductible.
Remember, the process may vary slightly depending on your insurer and the specifics of your policy, but these steps provide a general framework for what to expect.
Here are some additional tips for a smooth claims experience.
1. Stay organized. Keep all your documents, photos, and correspondence with your insurer in one place for easy reference.
2. Be honest. Provide accurate and truthful information. Misrepresenting facts can lead to claim denial.
3. Follow up. Stay in touch with your claims adjuster and promptly provide any additional information they request.
And 4. Know your policy. Familiarize yourself with your policy's coverage, limits, and exclusions to avoid surprises.
Additionally, consider keeping a small emergency kit in your car, including a notepad, pen, flashlight, and a list of essential contacts, such as your insurance company and a trusted repair shop.
Filing a car insurance claim doesn't have to be stressful. By being prepared and understanding the process, you can navigate it with confidence.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Car Insurance Chronicles. We hope our step-by-step guide to filing a car insurance claim has been helpful.
If you enjoyed this episode and found it informative, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and insights on car insurance. Next episode, we'll go over how travel insurance comes into play on your vacations. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.